Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the set operations. Okay, chapter 1. Subtitle: Set operations. Okay, exercise 1.3. Okay, before starting our exercise 1.3, first we should know about the types of set operations. Okay, first one, complement of a set. First one, complement of a set. Okay, the definition is the complement of a set is the set of all elements of U, that means universal set, that are not in A. It is denoted by A dash. Symbol is A dash or A complement. Okay, A dash or A complement. This is the symbol of complement. Okay, that complement means complement of set means the set of all elements of U that are not in A. For example, I am taking universal set, that is U is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, then another set A is equal to, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so what? So A complement or A dash. Okay, A dash is equal to, you should compare with the set U. Okay, that universal set means except A elements are called A dash or A complement. Okay, so that means you should compare with universal set. Okay, so what are the remaining elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are the complement elements. Okay, so in Venn diagram, this is the universal set, this is A set. Okay, so means this is set A. Okay, so this part except A part in universal set, except A part is called A dash or A complement. Okay, this shaded part is A dash. Okay, this is the complement. Okay, so complement means the set of elements of U that are not in A. Okay, then second one, union of two sets. Second one, union of two sets. Union means the union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either A, that is either A or, this is very important, either A or in B or in both. Okay, so union of two sets means the set of all elements which are either A or in B or in both. Okay, so this is a union of two sets. In symbol we can denote this is a symbol of union. Okay, this is A union B. Okay, this is the symbol union. Okay, A union B, that means you have to join the two sets. If elements are repeated means you have to write only one time. Okay, so A union B is equal to set bracket X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, so that R denotes union. Okay, the word R denotes union. You have to join the two sets. If any repeated elements means you have to write only one time. Okay, this is the second type, union of two sets. Okay, then in Venn diagram, this is the universal set. Okay, so if A and B are overlapping means it should be connected. A, this is B. Okay, these are the two sets. A union B means either A or in B. Okay, so you can join the two sets fully. This is A union B. Okay, for example, in numbers, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, I am taking the two sets 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so now we are going to find the A union B. Okay, so what are the elements? Union means either A or in B or in both. Okay, so you have to write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is already exists, so no need to write again. Okay, and 4 also already exists. So our next one 5, 7. Okay, this is A union B. Okay, then third one, intersection of two sets. Okay, intersection of two sets. Intersection means common to both. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. Common elements. Okay, so you have to check the common elements to both A and B. Okay, you should refer your definitions in your textbook or your material. Okay, so common to both A and B is called the intersection part. Okay, so in symbol, A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A, and for union we use the word or, for intersection we can use the word and. Okay, so X belongs to B. Okay, so this is the intersection. Okay, in Venn diagram, this is the universal set, and A set and B set both are overlapping. Okay, that means intersection part is not empty. Overlapping means intersection part is not empty. Okay, so this is the common part. This is the common part for the set A and B. Okay, so this is A intersection B. This is for A union B. This is for A dash. This is A intersection B. Okay. In numbers. Okay. In numbers. In numbers, A is equal to, I am taking the same set. Okay. So then only you can understand easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and for B set 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. I think this is the same set. Okay. So intersection part. Okay. Intersection means we can check the common elements of the both sets. Okay. So here 2 and 4. Here also 2 and 4 are the common elements. So A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one is difference of two sets. Fourth one, difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Okay. The definition is, if let A and B are two sets, the difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. It is denoted by A minus B. For example, A minus B, that is equal to set bracket X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Okay. Are you clear? If A difference B, that means the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. Suppose we are taking B minus A, the set of all elements in B but not in A. Okay. So X is equal to X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Okay. Are you clear? For A difference B means the elements are in A but not in B. For B difference A is the set of all elements in B but not in A. Okay. In Venn diagram, universal set. Again we are taking the overlapping set A and B. Okay. So the elements, this is A minus B, that means the set of all elements in A but not in B. So that means in A set except the B space. Okay, this is A minus B. Okay, this shaded part is A minus B. So it's similarly for B minus A. A set and B set is overlapping, and this is a universal set. B minus A, B difference A is, B difference A means the set of all elements in B but not in A. So except the, in B set except the A set, it's called B difference A. Okay. In numbers, okay, the same number A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So A minus B, that means sorry, A difference B is equal to, first you have to take the A set. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then difference 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. You should check any B elements are there in the A set. Okay. So the 2 and 4 here also is there. Okay. So that means you can cancel that. Okay. What are the remaining elements of A? A alone you should write, okay, because A minus A difference B means the set of all elements in A but not in B, okay. So you should write only the A elements. So 1 comma 3, okay. Suppose B minus A, B difference A means you can use first B set, okay, 2, 4, 5, 7, okay. Then difference A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. You check any A elements are there in the B elements, okay. Any A elements are there in the B set, okay. So the 2 and 4, okay. So 2 and 4 you can strike out that. So what are the remaining elements of B? First set only you have to check, okay. That first set is B. So that means 5 and 7 is B minus A, okay. Then fifth one, symmetric difference. The symmetric difference of sets. Fifth one, symmetric difference of sets, okay. Symmetric difference means the symmetric difference of two sets is A delta B. You can read as A delta B is equal to X such that X belongs to A minus B, or means which symbol we can use for union, okay, or we can use for union. X belongs to B minus A, okay. X belongs to A minus B, A difference B, and X belongs to B difference C, okay. So using the formula for A delta B is equal to, this is the symbol of symmetric difference. If they ask find the symmetric difference of A and B means you should use this given formula, okay. A delta B is equal to A difference B, or means union, okay. So union B difference A, okay. You can use this formula for finding the problem of symmetric difference of any two sets, okay. Suppose we can use the another formula also for this. A delta B is equal to A union B difference A intersection B. You can use any formula in these two formulas, okay. Both also you will get the same answer. This is called symmetric difference of sets, okay. So we can use the symbol A delta B. You can read as A delta B, okay. So using this operations, we will continue our exercise 1.3, okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. Using the given Venn diagram, write the elements of, okay. So Venn diagram is given, okay. So universal set and A, this is B set, 2, 10, 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11 and 1 and 12, okay. So we should find first one A set, okay. We should find the A set elements, okay. So A set elements, A set means you should use the full set of A. Okay, in this A set, what are the elements are there? That is called the elements of A. Okay, so that means 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. Okay, so this is the elements of A. Then second one, B. Second one, B. B means you can use the whole set B set. Okay, this B set fully you can use. Okay, so what are the elements are there? 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. Okay, these are the B elements. Okay, then third one, A union B. A union B. That means we can use the union means this full sets. Okay, this A set as well as the B set and intersection part also. This full set you have to use for A union B. A union B means you have to join the two sets. Okay, so if any common element is there, you can write only one time. Okay, so what do you get? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, this is the union part. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, then fourth one is intersection part. Okay, A intersection B. A intersection B. Intersection means what is that? The common element. This is the intersection part. We know that already. We know the diagram. This is the intersection part 4 and 7. So you should use for A intersection B. You can use the Venn diagram, or otherwise you can use the already we found A set and B set. Okay, we can use the set also. So A intersection B is equal to 2 and 4. Okay, so sorry, 4 and 7. Okay, the common part is 4 and 7. Okay. So for intersection, A intersection B is equal to 4 comma 7. Okay, then next one, fifth one, A difference B. A difference B. That means you should write the A difference B. In the Venn diagram, we know that this is the A intersection, sorry, A difference B. This part is the A difference B. So 2, 8 and 10. 2, 8 and 10. Okay. 2, comma 8, comma 10. Using Venn diagram, we can found that values. Okay. Or otherwise, you can use the formula A difference B means first you can write the A values, then B values, then already we know the method. No, you can use the method. Okay. Now we are using the Venn diagram, so we can use that directly. And sixth one, B difference A. B difference A. In the Venn diagram, we know that the elements are 3, 6, 9 and 11. Okay. This is B difference A. Then next one, seventh one, A dash. A dash means except A. A dash means except A. So in the Venn diagram, except A set, that except A set, what are the remaining elements are there? That is called A dash. Okay, that outside elements in the universal set, outside elements are there 1 and 12. That also included for A dash. Okay, so 1, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12. Okay, this is called A dash and B dash. Next one, B dash. B dash means except B set. Except B set is 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. Next, universal set. Next one, Next one, universal set. Universal set means in the box, the rectangle box, what are the elements are there? Fully you have to write for universal set. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. That inside, outside, what are the elements are there in the rectangle box? Everything you should write for universal set. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. In question number 2, first question you should write for homework. Okay. So A is equal to 2, 6, 10, 14 and B is equal to 2, 5, 14, 16. That is for your homework. Okay. You can follow the second question. Okay. The same method you can use for first one. Okay. So second question is A is equal to A, B, C, E and U. Okay. This is A set. And B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So what do you want to find? We want to find A union B, A intersection B and A difference B and B difference A. Okay. So first one A union B and A intersection B, then A difference B and B difference A. Okay. These are the values you want to find. Okay. So A union B. A union B means you have to join the two sets A and B. Okay. So A, B, C, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, B, C, E, I, O, U. These are the elements of A union B. And the intersection. Intersection means common elements of A and B. It means A, then E, then U. Okay. These are the intersection part of A intersection B. A for intersection part of A and B. Okay. Then A difference B. A difference B means first you should write A elements. A, B, C, E, E and U. Difference B is what? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. You should cancel the any B elements are there in A set. Okay, just check it. A is there, so you can strike out A and A is there. Okay, then what are the elements and the U is there. Okay, okay. Okay. So what are the remaining? Is equal to only A elements you should write. Okay, so B, C are the elements of A difference B. Okay, then B difference A. Then B difference A. First you should write the B elements. Okay, B elements is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, then next you should write the A elements, that is A, B, C, E, U. Okay, so next now you have to strike out the any elements of A is there in the B elements. Okay, so what is that? A, strike out A, then E, then U. Okay, common elements you can strike out. What are the remaining elements of B? The first set B minus A means first set B is what are the elements remaining are there. Okay, that you can check it. I comma O. Okay, this is the elements of B minus A. Okay, then third one. question number 3. In second one, question number 3. Okay, a is equal to x such that x belongs to n, and x less than or equal to 10. Okay, so that means what are the elements of a up to 10 na? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 also included, because less than or equal to, and x belongs to n means natural numbers started from 1. Okay, then second one, b is equal to x such that x belongs to w. W means whole numbers, it started from 0. Okay, then x less than 6, x less than 6, so 6 is not included here. Okay, so what are the elements? From 0 you have to start. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so again the same process, we should find a union b. A union b means you have to join the two sets a and b. Common element, repeated elements means you can write only one time. Okay, so you can start it from 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is a union b. Then intersection means both a and b. What are the elements? Are both a and b. That means you can take 0 is not in both sets. Okay, so that means 1 2 3 4 5, that's all. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, that's all. So this is a intersection b. Okay, then a difference b. That means first you should write the a set. Okay, a set means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, minus difference 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so that 1 2 3 4 5, here also the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what are the remaining elements of a set? Okay, that is, sorry, 6 is not included. Okay, so 6 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is a difference b. Then b difference a, that means b set is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then difference from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so from 1 to 5, here also 1 to 5 they cancel, so b difference a is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt? Then fourth one, first one, a is equal to set of all letters in the word mathematics. In mathematics, what are the letters are there? You can write. Okay, so M A T H E, again M is repeated and A also repeated, T also repeated. No need to write again. So E, then next one I C S. Already I told you in set, no need to write the repeated letters. Okay, so then B is equal to the set of all letters in the word geometry. So geometry, G, E, O, M, E already exists. So T, R, Y. Okay. So you can write A union B. A union B is equal to join the letters except the common letters, means one time you can write. Okay. So what are the letters? A, C, E, G, H, I, M, O, R, S, T, Y. Okay, I am writing in the alphabetical order. If you want, you can write any way. Okay, from M also you can start, no problem. Then A intersection B. Intersection B, both of common elements of A and B. Okay, so common elements means E, M, and T. Okay. Then next one, A difference B. A difference B. A elements M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Okay. Then G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. Okay. A difference B common element. Any B elements are there in the A set. Okay, you can check it. M, then E. I think that's all. Okay. So remaining A, C, I, sorry, H, I, yes, T also it's common, so that also you can strike out. Okay. So these are the elements of A difference B. Okay. Then next one, B difference A. First you should write the B set. B set is G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. Difference M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. So M, T, and E. M, T, E. Okay. So remaining elements G, O, R, Y. Okay. These are the elements of B minus C. Okay. Second sum over. Then question number 3. Question number 3. The given sets are universal set, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is universal set. Okay. Then A is equal to B, D, F, H. Then B is equal to A, D, E, H. Okay. So find the following sets A dash. A dash. A dash means you have to compare with the universal set. The set of all elements of U but not in A. Okay. That is U difference A. So in U set, what are the elements are there? Except the A elements in universal set, that is called A dash. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Minus A elements B, D, F, H. B, D, F, H. So remaining elements are A, C, E, G. These are the A dash. So the same way you have to find for B dash. Second one. Okay. B dash is equal to universal set difference B set, except in universal set except B set. Okay. So what do you get? Directly I can write. Same way you get to use for finding the B dash. Okay. So B, C, F and G. Okay. Then next one. Third one, A dash union B dash. Third one, A dash union B dash. That means you have to join the A dash set and B dash set. Okay. So already we found A dash and B dash. Okay. So you can use the two sets. So A, B, C, E, F and G. This is A dash union B dash. Okay. A, B, C, E, F, G. Okay. Then fourth one, A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. That means common elements of A dash and B dash. Okay. Common elements of A dash and B dash is C and G. C and G. Okay. See, your A dash is A, C, E, G and B dash is B, C, F, G. Okay. So so therefore C and G are the common elements of A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Then fifth one, A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. That means A union B complement. Complement means you have to check with your universal set. That means universal set difference A union B. Okay. So in universal set what do you get? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So minus difference A union B. A union B. A union B means you have to join with your A set and B set. So A union B, what do you get? A, B, D, E, F and H. This is called A union B. A union B means A set and B set you have to join. Okay. So difference complement. Okay. You have to strike out A, B, D, E, F and H. What are the remaining elements? C and G. C and G. This is your A union B whole dash. Dash, if complement is coming means you should use the universal set. So A union B whole dash means U difference A union B. Okay. So in universal set you have to subtract the A union B elements. So what are the remaining elements of universal set? C and G. So that is called your A union B whole dash. Okay. Then next one, A intersection B whole dash. That means what we have to do? In universal set, you have to subtract the set of A intersection B. Okay. So in universal set, what do you get? A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay. Intersection means for A and B set common elements. Common elements is what? A set, okay, A set B, D, F and H. So and B is equal to A, D, E, H. So D and H are the common elements of A and B. Okay. So that means you can use here intersection part is D and H. Okay. So in universal set you have to eliminate the values D and H. So what are the remaining elements? A, B, C, E, F and G. Okay. These are the elements of A intersection B whole dash. Okay. Then seventh one, A dash whole dash, A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash is nothing but A. Okay, so we can check A dash, that means A dash already we found that, that is um, U minus A dash. Okay, U minus A dash, U minus A dash, that is A dash whole dash. Okay, so already we found the A dash value. Okay, universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, minus A dash already we found, that value is A, C, E, G. That is your first subdivision. Okay, so that values you have to eliminate from the universal set. Okay, so what do you get? A, C, E, G. Okay, so remaining elements B, D, F, H. This is A dash whole dash. Just you can check, is the value of A dash whole dash is equal to B, D, F, H. This A dash whole dash is nothing but A. Okay, this is the one type of condition. Then next one, B dash whole dash, eighth one. So we can use the same rule, B dash whole dash. What do you get? B dash whole dash is nothing but B. Okay, so we should check universal set minus B dash. Okay, universal set means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, then already we found B dash. B dash is the second set, that is B, C, F, G. Okay, you can omit the elements in universal set. So B, C, F and G. Okay, so what do you get remaining? A, D, E, H. Okay, this is the value of B dash whole dash. Just see your B value. B is equal to set bracket A, D, E, H. Okay, so this is B dash whole dash is nothing but B. Okay, from the sum we can know that A, B dash whole dash is equal to B. Okay, so the next one, that's all. Okay, so B dash whole dash. Your third sum is over. Then question number 4. The same method. In third question we are using the alphabets. Okay, in fourth question we are using the numbers. Okay, so directly we can use the values. Okay, first one, universal set is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, then B is equal to 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so we should find A dash. A dash means in universal set except the A elements. Just you can see the universal set except the A elements means what do you get? 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, Then second one, b dash in universal set except the b elements. Except the b elements means what do you get? 1, 4, 6. Okay, already we use the same method problem, so directly I can find the answers. Okay, then question number 3, a dash union b dash, that means a dash value and b dash value you have to join together. So what do you get? 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. This is a dash union b dash. Okay, then fourth one, a dash intersection b dash, that means common elements of a dash and b dash. What are the common elements? 4 and 6. Okay, so 4 and 6. Then fifth one, a union b whole dash, a union b whole dash, that means universal set minus a union b. So universal set is from 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, difference a union b, a union b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Union means join together a and b. Okay, so what are the elements? Except elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so what are the remaining elements? 4 and 6. This is the value of a union b whole dash. Okay, the next one, a intersection b whole dash. Sixth one, a intersection b whole dash. Okay, that is equal to the same way you have to use for universal set minus a intersection b. Okay, so universal set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, minus a intersection b means common elements of a and b. A and b common elements is 3, 5 and 7. Okay, these are the common elements of a and b. Okay, so 3, 5, 7. Okay, so what are the remaining elements? 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. This is called a intersection b whole dash. Okay, then next one, seventh one, a dash whole dash. Already we know that universal set minus a dash. Okay, so universal set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus a dash is 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. Already we know that a dash whole dash is nothing but a. Okay, so we will get the answer of a. So 1, 3, 5, 7. 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, then eighth one, b dash whole dash. B dash whole dash is nothing but b. Okay, so that is equal to u minus b dash. Okay, so what do you get? Again 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 minus b dash value is 1, 4, 6. Okay, 1, 4, 6. So what are the remaining elements? 0, 2, 3 and 5. Sorry, and 7 also. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, that's all. Then next question, question number 5. Okay, question number 5. First question is homework for you. Find the symmetric difference between the following set. Already we know that symmetric difference formula is A delta B. Symmetric difference. Okay, symmetric difference is equal to, you can use any one formula. Okay, we have two formulas, you can use any one formula as your wish. Okay, so A delta B is equal to A difference B union B difference A, or otherwise you can use that A union B difference A intersection B, which is easy for you, you can use that. Okay, both also A delta B. So fifth sum, first one homework for you, we can start the second sum. Okay, what is the question? R is equal to L M N O P. Okay, and S is equal to J L N Q. Okay, now I can use the first formula. Okay, here A delta B, but here question is R and S. Okay, so we can use R delta S is equal to R difference S union and S difference R. Okay, so first we should find R difference S. So what is R element? L M N O P. Difference S elements J L N Q. Okay, L N are the common elements, so you can strike out. So what are the remaining elements of R? M O P. Okay, this is R difference S. Okay, then S difference R, that means J L N Q. Okay, difference L M N O P. So common elements are L and N. Okay, so remaining elements of S is equal to set bracket J and Q. This is the value of S minus S difference R. So we can use the formula R delta S is equal to, we can use the union formula for R difference S, union S difference R. Okay, so what do you get if you join together? J M O P and Q. Okay, this is your answer. You can use the another method also, that is your wish. Okay, that's next sum. I can use the another formula. Okay, third one. First I can use the difference formula, next I can use the intersection union formula. Okay, so X is equal to 5, 6, 7 and Y is equal to 5, 7, 9, 10. Okay, so for this formula we can use X union Y. Union means we can join the two sets. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, then x intersection y, that is equal to common elements. Common elements means 5 and 7. Okay, so what is the formula for x delta y? X union y difference x intersection y. Okay, so x union y is equal to 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Difference x intersection y is 5 and 7. Okay, so 5 and 7 you can strike out here. Okay, so what are the remaining elements? 6, 9, 10. Okay, you can use any one formula, okay, as your wish. So your fifth question over. Okay, so next one. So for your homework, fifth question first subdivision and the second question first subdivision. Okay, the same way you have to use for the homework. Okay, next one, question number 6. Okay, using the set symbols, write down the expression for the shaded region in the following. So diagram is given, you can use the symbols. Okay, first one, what is given? That's set x and this is y. Okay, universal set. We know that this is the part of y difference x. So your answer is y difference x. Okay, then second one, the A union B part is not shaded. The two circles, no, that is x union y. Okay, so x union y part is not shaded. X y, we should find the shaded part region only, you have to find. Okay, so this is unshaded part, so this is the remaining part. Okay, so except we know that this is the part of x union y. Okay, this is the unshaded region is the x union y. So except x union y means what? The answer is x union y whole dash. Okay, except means we can use the complement symbol. Okay, so complement means you can use the symbol x union whole dash. Okay, then next one, third one, x y. Okay, so we know that this part, okay, this part is x, this is x difference y. Okay, and this part is y difference x. Okay, y difference x. Okay, this is x difference y and this is y difference x. Okay, so the two parts also shaded. Okay, that means the answer is x difference y union y difference x. Do you remember this formula? What is that? This is equal to x delta y. Okay, then last question, question number 7. Let A and B be two overlapping sets. That means the intersection part is not empty. Okay, let A and B be two overlapping sets and the universal set U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. So we have to draw the Venn diagram. First one, A union B. Already in the definition, types of set operations, no, there itself I will explain that A union B intersection and everything. Okay, so we should draw the same diagram here. Okay, so overlapping sets, that means intersection part is there. Okay, so A, this is B. Okay, we should find A union B. A union B. This is your universal set. Universal set you can mention U. Okay, A union B means that A set and B set. Okay, union means and both also. Okay, sorry. Here and means the two sets. Okay, A and B sets fully you have to draw that. Okay. Then second one. Second one, A intersection B. Intersection means that common part. Okay, in overlapping sets, universal set, A set, B set. Compulsory you should mention the name of that sets. Okay, so many of you not mention that name. Okay, compulsory you should mention. This is the common part. Okay, so common part is called intersection. This is A intersection B. Okay, then third one. Third one, A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. In second subdivision, we found A intersection B. Whole dash means what? Except that in universal set, except A intersection B. In universal set, except A intersection B is called A intersection B whole dash. So, in a universal set, okay, take a universal set. Already we found A intersection B in second subdivision. Okay. Except that intersection part, you have to shade all the parts. Okay. Except A intersection B, you have to shade all the parts. Okay. That is your. See, for shading you can use your scale and pencil. For Venn diagram compulsory you have to use the scale pencil. Don't use your pen. Okay. So use scale and pencil. This intersection part, except this intersection part, you have to shade your universal part. Okay. So that is your A intersection B whole dash. What you are finding, that is what you are finding in the question, that you have to mention under the diagram. Okay. So A intersection B whole dash. Okay. Then fourth one, B minus A whole dash. If they are asking the complement, before you can find the bracket values, that B minus A first you have to find, then you can use that the complement. Okay, so this is your B minus A, that is B difference A B. Okay, universal set. B difference A means in B set A should not be there. Okay, so this is your B difference A. Okay, so that complement means except this space in the universal set you have to share. Okay, so that is equal to universal set minus B difference A. Okay, so okay, so B difference A, except this B difference A you have to share. Okay, so what are the remaining parts? Okay, this is your B difference A full dash. Okay. Next, fifth one. A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Okay. So first we should find A dash. A dash means except A set. Okay. Except A set, you have to draw that. Except A, you should shade. Okay. That is your A dash. This is A dash. Okay. Then B dash. B dash means except B. Okay. So except B set, you have to draw. Except B set, fully you have to shade. Okay, this is your B dash. For Venn diagram, you can use scale and pencil. Don't use pen. Okay, again I will told you. Then union part for A dash and B dash, union part, that means join together. Okay. This is A and B. This is set. See, for the both sets, what are the parts are unshaded? That means here A circle is fully not shaded. Here B circle is fully unshaded. Okay. So the remaining part, okay, except that this is your A dash union B dash. Okay. Sorry. Here also that intersection, here that B part is shaded, no? So here this part will come. Okay. Then here that intersection part, here also it will come. Okay. So that except intersection part, everything will be shaded. Okay. So next one, sixth one, A dash intersection B dash. Okay. A dash intersection B dash. Already we draw that A dash and B dash. Okay. So now we can check the common part. What are the common parts? Here only will come that unshaded region of the except A set and B set. Okay. So for A union B, this place will come. Okay. This place also will come. Okay. For the intersection part, A dash intersection B dash only, that except that remaining part will come. Okay. A dash B dash already we found that. So what are the common parts are there? You can check it. Okay. No need to again draw that A dash and B dash. Okay. Already one time we found, so no need to found. Okay. So that intersection means common parts. Okay. So this is the common parts of A dash and B dash. This is your A dash intersection B dash. Okay. What do you observe from the diagram 3rd and 5? What do you observe? The next subdivision, 7th subdivision is, what do you observe from the Venn diagram 3 and 5th subdivision? Okay. in third subdivision and fifth subdivision. See the diagram, both also same, third and fifth one. Third one and fifth one, both also same. So from the Venn diagram, what we learn? From the Venn diagram, see this. This is our fifth one. Okay, that previous page already is there. Okay, so fifth one is the diagram. Intersection part is not shaded. Third one also, that same diagram will come. Okay, so from the diagram, third and 5, we get the result A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, it is one type of result. Okay, so we will use the formula in future. Okay, so A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, thank you.